1. Introduction to beekeeping for profit. Make sure you overview the beekeeping business, initial investment, setup costs, and essential tools. Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. 2. Setting up your first hive. Make sure you choose the right location and the types of beehives. Then install and maintain your hive. 3. Understanding bee behavior. You need to understand the life cycle of these bees, the rules within the hive, such as queens and workers, and then learn how to keep your bee healthy. 4. Maximizing honey production. Know the best practice for honey extraction, the seasonal honey production tips, and how to store and process honey. 5. Diversifying bee products. You can as well be producing and selling bee wax and harvesting royal jelly, and also creating marketing value and added products such as candles and cosmetics. 6. Market and sell your products. You can brand and package them. Know the effective online and offline marketing strategies. You can also build a customer base and leverage social media. 7. Know the legal and regulatory requirements, such as know the local and national beekeeping regulations. Register your beekeeping business and complying with health and safety standards. 8. Challenges and solutions in beekeeping. Know the bee common problem and know how to solve them. Learn how to deal with pests and diseases. Manage the hive swarming and location. 9. Scaling your bee business. You need to expand the number of hives, hire trained staff, and explore additional revenue streams such as bee tours and educational workshops. 10. Sustainable and ethical beekeeping practice. Eco-friendly beekeeping methods, supporting bee conservation efforts and ethical treatments of bees, and responsible harvesting. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. And click on the bell icon to be notified whenever I post a new video. Thanks for watching.